Hi guys. Okay, I'm going to do something. I haven't done this in a little bit. I have some wigs from Nels Wigs that I haven't shown you guys in a long time. I reviewed them and then they've just been here. So I just thought I'd do a compilation of them today. So my first one, I'm going to go in alphabetical order from what I have, is Bianca Straight. This is, again, these are all from Nels Wigs. And I just want to go through them. I haven't even cut the lace on this one. She's gorgeous. I absolutely love the coloring. For those of you who are not familiar with Nels Wigs, she's down in Salt Lake City. She is one of the sweetest ladies. Everybody that I know in the wig world is just amazing though. But take a look at this, Bianca Straight. Like, look at her. Look at these curtain bangs. She's a fixed T-part. Look at the coloring. She's beautiful. I love her. So that's Bianca Straight. I have to go through and see what she's got and doesn't have anymore. Okay, next one is Kathy Blonde, or Kathy BL. Same kind of coloring. I think I got these two at the same time. This one I do have the lace cut on. She's another fixed T-part. They have their same cap construction. Gorgeous coloring again. I'm going to try and make sure I get this all done in the 10 minutes here. But isn't she beautiful too? Like, look at her. And super comfortable cap. Absolutely, absolutely beautiful. So again, this one is Kathy BL. Look at those waves. Those two would be like sisters. If you wanted one that was curly and one that was straight. This one is Lyrical. This one's stunning. Absolutely, absolutely stunning. I think this may have been one of my first ones I bought from Nels. From Miss Nellie. She's just, look at this one. Okay, it's another fixed T-part, but look at her. Guys, she's beautiful. Let's get her on. She's absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. Okay, and then the next one is Madison Salt and Pepper. So this is another fixed T-part. Look at the coloring. Where's my salt and pepper girls out there? This is gorgeous. And again, super comfortable to wear. Look at the money piece, or not the money piece, the face framing. Oh, she's beautiful. Isn't she pretty? I love her. Okay, what else have I got? I have Reese MP Ash. I've worn this one quite a bit. I love this one. She's just got this beautiful shadowing, really nice rooting. Let's get this hook adjuster in. And again, this is another fixed T-part. And she's so cute. I've worn this one up. I've worn her painting in the garage. Absolutely, absolutely beautiful. And the all her wigs are impeccable quality as well. And then the last one I have from Nels is Tanya, 29 inches. Tanya, I don't know how everybody says it. But this one is absolutely stunning. So again, this is the last one I have from Nels, I think. Yes, it is, but look at her. She's the apricot coloring. Apricot, however you guys say this. She's a fixed T-part. And she's gorgeous. Look at her. 29 inches long. Yeah, so that's my collection from Nels that I have. I think I had other ones, but I may have sold some off. But absolutely beautiful. I love Nellie. She is such an absolute sweetheart, like I mentioned before. So she is based in, like I said, in Salt Lake City, Utah. And she does her lives. I can't remember how often she goes live anymore, but she's also branched into like the monofilament tops, like hair crowns, and I haven't tried any of those ones yet, but you guys go check out Nellie at Nels Wigs. She's got some absolutely gorgeous wigs there, and you will not be disappointed. Her customer service is incredible, and no, I am not affiliated with her, but I just think the world of her. And yeah, so I just wanted to give her a little bit of a shout out, and just to let you guys know, there is so many companies out there that you can shop through and find beautiful wigs that will match your style. And I think Nellie also does customizing of her wigs as well. So you can reach out to Nellie and make arrangements for this one. Like if you wanted this one, but you wanted it to be like 19 or 16 or 18 inches, whatever, and curled or bangs or whatever, she does that as well. So again, you guys, reach out to Nellie over at Nels Wigs. Go take a look at her website and see the beautiful ones that she's got there. And yeah, just have fun. Anyways, love you guys. Have a wonderful day.